everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you the difference between Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes class. I know you all will be facing trouble in learning this, right? So here is the word that is Osteich only. So this word will tell you the differences. O for oviparous and operculum. So oviparous animals are present in the Osteichthyes class, means which lay eggs. Operculum is the membranous structure which present over the gill slits. As for swim bladder is present in Osteichthyes class. So these all are the characteristic of Osteichthyes only, right? T for terminal mouth. Mouth is at the terminal end, not on the ventral side. E for external fertilization. So in this class, external fertilization takes place. I for ammonia. You know, in ammonia I is there. So by this you are able to remember that their excretory product is ammonia and not urea. C for ctenoid scale. Ctenoid scale are present in Osteichthyes class, whereas cricoid scale are present in your Chondrichthyes class. Fine. Then H for homocircle tail. Means the tail is having the symmetry. The tail is having the symmetry. Heterocircle tail is present in Chondrichthyes class. So these are the main differences between these two classes. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.